I'm Ciliann. Welcome to my art channel. In this video, I show you how I paint an acrylic landscape painting, City Aflame. Enjoy! So this is an acrylic painting, and I have special acrylic paper for this. This is not on canvas, this is paper. And we're starting off with dark blue to give that dark background sky. And we're just using a thin down paint to get a quick, even coverage of the sky area. Coming beneath the sky, we'll start putting some fiery background with dark orange and gradually going down towards a more yellowish orange. And this will be the background. It will not actually show up so much in the end, but this is to give us a base of color. And these will be the basic shapes of the houses in this ancient city. Stone buildings and dark streets. And we're giving them a little bit of a fiery look to them. Here's the wall around the city. Sort of peach color for the stones. And the grassy area around the city, some greenish blue. And these are just really, this is just the outline of what will come later. We'll work with layers and keep adding more details on top. This is sort of a view from on top of a different mountain, looking down towards the valley of a city that is on fire. So it looks very small and distant, and there's a view of the entire city as it is in flames. So the green area towards the bottom of the page is the viewer's position, the closer up foliage that is near the person who is looking down at the city. And with a small brush, we'll take some very light brown, yellow, white, and we'll just quickly put in those stones, one next to the other. Using a little bit darker brown. We'll give the houses small stones. Almost just dotting over quickly. And using brown will give an indication of some streets circling between the houses. And some greenery here and there that has not as of yet caught on fire. Although the city is very much in flames, the houses themselves, since they are made of stone, less flammable, what's inside them is what's burning. So the outside shell of the house is still there, and that's why it's visible. Okay, so for the surroundings of the city, we'll add some greenish gray, smoky areas, far away, distant grass. And there's our basic outline. So using red, we'll show some fire coming out from each house, reaching up towards the sky. And we're going to put some thick smoke in the sky. So we'll work with a lot of dark color, brown and blue mixed, and we'll put that all over in like columns coming from the houses and reaching up towards the sky. And then taking white on the brush, we'll leave some areas brighter white and work in some of the paint more with the dark blue to show the different shadowy areas of smoke. The billows of smoke coming out from this huge fire. Some areas are brighter and some areas are darker, so we'll leave some less blended and we'll blend in more some of the other areas that we want to be darker. We'll try to give it a curly sort of look, small bumps, so that it looks like billows of smoke coming out. Now our base of fire is covered up somewhat. We'll add some charred, blackened parts of these houses. Also just working in small lines. And that'll give the effect of a lot of charred pieces of houses and burnt things flying around, ashes. And here we'll just darken up some parts of these smoke clouds. With some of that very dark brown color. Using the same dark color to accentuate the city walls. We'll run over quickly with a small brush to show the stones. Until we've finished the whole wall of the city. Some flatter for the top parts of the wall. And here is the shadowy edge on the top of the front. Now we'll just fill up those streets of the city with more dark colors. And working with the fire now, we'll add some yellow on top. And mix that with a bit of red to get a sort of orangey look. But not completely blended. just using small strokes that will give a mottled sort of look with the red on top of the yellow, not blending it entirely. I'll show the fields just outside the city and the brighter grassy area of the hill on which we are standing, looking out over this carnage. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and hope the fire goes out soon.